All the way through, words first, we're going to vine to the right, side, behind, side, touch together, hip, left, right, side, behind, side, touch together, slide, bring your knee up, slide, knee up, walk back 3 steps with a hitch, walk forward 3 steps, quarter turn with a hitch, vine to the right with a touch, and vine with a quarter turn touch. Now there are some optional turns in there as well if you wish. When you walk forward and with a quarter turn, you can roll forward and add that quarter turn, and also the last turn at the very end, you can roll to the left. Now the options there, walking back, 1, 2, 3, hitch, roll, 2, 3, hitch, vine to the right with a touch, and again, roll to the back wall. You obviously can add as many different variations as you like. Face the front, let's run through it now with the count. Weights on the left, vine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you can add those extra turns, rolling forward and rolling at the end. As you walk back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes up when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back into the phone. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. Oh, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. No, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your doctor about my leg. Or tell your brother Cliff, his face will tell my lip. He never really liked me anyway. Or tell your Aunt Louise, anything to please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to watch it for my mind. It might be walking out on me today. Oh, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Oh, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
Weights on your left foot. We're going to vine to the right 3 counts and add a touch on your 4th. Right foot leading, side, behind, side, touch together. Using that left foot, we step it out to the side and we're going to bump your hips, left, right, left, right. Weights now on your right foot. Let's do the same step with the count. Vine to the right, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For section 2, we're going to vine back to the left 3 counts and add a touch, side, behind, side, touch. We're going to step to the right for count 5. We're going to slide your left knee in and up on 6 and slide and bring it up again. Let's try it one more time with the count all the way through. Vine to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For section 3, Your right knee is up in the air. We're going to walk back 3 steps, right, left, right, hit your left knee up on 4, then walk forward, left, right, left, make a quarter turn and hit your right knee. Now you can turn just that little bit earlier if you want. You can kind of cut the corner, walk back, 2, 3. As you walk forward, left, right, as you do your last step forward, start to turn that left foot, and then it makes it a little easier to make that hitch. Now with the count, we're walking back. Your right knee is already up. We walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is an optional turn here, and it happens when we walk forward. So your knees up, we walk back, standard 3 counts. Now, if you want to roll forward, we're going to step first. Step, half turn over your left shoulder, half turn over your left shoulder as you step on the left, quarter turn and hitch that right knee. Try that again, walking back, right, left, right, hitch, step forward, roll half, quarter hitch. Now the count here is simply walking back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or with your optional turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the last section of the dance, you will be facing your 9 o'clock direction. However, we're just going to practice to the front. All we need to do is vine to the right, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn and touch. Now the count there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it to our 9 o'clock direction. Now you've just gotten there by doing a quarter turn hitch for section 3. Right knee's up, vine to the right from here, side step behind, side with a touch, side step behind, quarter turn, touch, end of dance. The count there is vine to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again, there is that optional turn on the last vine where we vine to the right, side, behind, touch. We're going to roll to the left, a 1 1/4 turn, stepping quarter, half, half. So left foot lead, quarter 1, half 2, half 3, and touch on 4.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes up when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back into the phone. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. Oh, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. No, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your doctor about my